this is the probe. This little red guy here is the very pointy part that will do the probing. Up the top we've got the contacts. So current will go in through a little wire terminal screwed in here through an M3 or M2.5 screw and terminal, and the current flows through this ball, through this 6mm pin here, and then around the track, through this ball, around this track, through this ball, through that pin, and so on and so forth until it comes out this terminal here and goes back into the control box. So 5 volts in, 5 volts out, but if the probe tip is contacting something, one of these 3 pins gets lifted up and this 5 volts out here gets broken and pulled down to ground. So that's sort of how it works, and it'll get housed inside of a block that I haven't finished modeling yet. To keep things sort of in alignment, I've got 4 tooling pins, 4 tooling holes, one here, one down here, one here, and then this last one might double up as a way of keeping the wiring at bay, and also it aligns the whole assembly, well, it aligns this whole yellow plate that's now highlighted in blue. When I'm actually building it, things will be aligned to go into pins and stuff to keep it all well aligned and not too far horrible.